Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, we are back at it. And since the market reopened for after the New Year's Day holiday, we're a couple days into the year already. My, oh my, time is really flying by. Well, we had a little bit of a pullback for the past 3 days, actually. And we'll see how that continues. And there are a lot of catalysts that are going to help determine that. There's a bunch of news this week. We have ADP unemployment. Oh, that came out today, as well as some natural gas and some Fed speakers and such. But tomorrow we have the weekly non-farm payrolls. That's the weekly unemployment number, as well as some factory orders and a bunch of ISM numbers, Baker Hughes rig count, as well as Fed Speaker Barkin is talking again. And then, of course, Friday, we have the monthly unemployment figure coming out. And that is always a big deal. So we've got a lot of news to manage here. Some of this pullback, I think, came from just the massive run-up that we had in the last 2 months of 2023. And you're bound to get a natural pullback when you see a big run-up like that. Now, usually the first 2 days of the year tend to be an extension of the Santa Claus rally, which didn't happen notably. Take of that what you will. Another thing to look at is the RSI. It was really just a perfect RSI signal when we get above that 70 level and then cross back down below it. So often we see follow through, and we're still in the top half of the RSI chart, so we're definitely not anywhere near oversold or anything like that. So there is a chance to see some follow through. Now, another key technical thing to look at here is that we're decidedly above the 21-day moving average, which can be a weak sense of support. There's still a little bit of support from some previous recent candles as well. So I'd definitely call this a support area. However, if we break through this area, we tend to see follow through the 21-day moving average, because 21 days is about the number of trading days in a month. So that's basically the stocks busting through the moving average of where they've been for the month. And the next stop after that would be about 460 or so. So that said, we have some interesting things to watch this week. This is Dan Passarelli. Hope that helps. Trade smart.